The workshop is giving us information on parent wellness, so it's all strategies that we can use at home with our children. We've done wonderful things with the grant. We've been able to work very closely with our parental involvement department. We have 3 LPCs that we've hired through the district, and they're housed at a campus, one at an elementary, one at a middle school, one at a high school. They've been blessed to have an LPC there to help guide parents and to help guide our students when they're having a mental crisis. So just the knowledge that the LPCs have brought to our district has been amazing.
The impact starts in home. If a home setting is socially, emotionally connected, then the rest is pretty much just very easy. Some of our parents even now telling me, Ms. Isabel, can we bring this type of setting back home so that we can train more parents?
We want to involve the parents as much as we can because it is important for them to know what kind of indicators they can look out for to know if their children are experiencing stress or depression, anxiety. And so these indicators are what's going to help them find a better relationship with their child and know how to help them. At the tables, we definitely had a lot of communication going on and discussions, and it's interesting to know how each one dealt with their own topic. And we had yeses and nos on some of the answers, but we were able to discuss the reasoning for it. So it was interesting.
I think it's kind of universal. It's necessary for the parents as well as the students. Because as a parent, if you're always saying that you're a failure, that you don't like yourself, your kid sees that, they absorb that. It just changes everything, everybody's perspective.
I get to be a champion for the Stronger Connection grant. And although we only have it in 3 of our schools, I love that it's from elementary to middle and high, and it provides that array of information and tools that then we can turn around and give to the rest of the district.
Project Lift has been amazing, amazing. We have worked together. The students love it. They ask for it. What's next? What are we going to do? They've worked on building relationships, self-esteem, SEL, writing strategies, coping strategies. They've been very involved with the middle school students, and we really appreciate all they've done for us.
The best thing that we do is build the connection between community, between families, between schools. We are a team. We're all trying to raise students, children that are going to be healthy, productive adults. We're here to help. We're here to work together. If you have a question, we're here. Don't be afraid to ask us for this support.